Sometimes we forget to give ourselves time away from the routines that we create for ourselves in our lives. It's easy for us to lose sight of what's around us in the world and to lose our connection with nature. Sometimes allowing ourselves to step out into the world in some way gives us the opportunity to connect with ourselves, to connect with nature, and to connect with those that we love. I have found that it is so important to check in with ourselves and to connect with the earth around us. I have found that getting outside and allowing myself to breathe and connect with nature is an essential part of caring for myself. A really important part of these times is allowing myself to be present and to disconnect from the stresses and extra noise of the rest of my life by fully connecting with what's around me. I like to ground myself by focusing on what is immediately around me in the environment. I focus on what I see, what I hear, what I smell, and this allows me to feel really grounded in this space. I find that when I allow myself to tap into these different senses and connect them with the world around me, I'm also able to connect deeply with myself and with others around me. It is so important for us to remember that we deserve to take time for ourselves and that we deserve to take time away from our busy lives. Remember the importance of making time for yourself, making time to connect with nature, to connect with others, and to be present for yourself. Because no matter how busy our lives get, we can choose to make time for ourselves and to make time for the earth around us.